Another day, another story. Exploring Ekebergparken Sculpture Park, where art breathes life into nature, a travel and learn series. Hey, wanderlust souls! Today, join us on a captivating odyssey as we unveil the hidden wonders of Ekebergparken Sculpture Park in the heart of Oslo, Norway. Whether you're a tourist yearning for cultural gems, a curious learner eager to unravel the stories behind each sculpture, or simply someone seeking a visual feast, this video is your passport to a realm where art meets nature in perfect harmony. Cinematic shots of the sunrise over Ekebergparken. Introduction to Ekebergparken Sculpture Park, a canvas of tranquility and creativity. Nestled amidst the lush landscapes of Oslo, Ekebergparken is not just a park, it's an immersive gallery where sculptures become part of nature's living masterpiece. Picture yourself surrounded by serene walking paths, panoramic viewpoints, and the gentle rustling of leaves. This is Ekebergparken, where art breathes life into nature. Diverse Sculpture Collection, a journey through time and expression. Step into a world where art transcends boundaries. From the thought-provoking modern sculptures to timeless classics, each piece is a portal into the artist's imagination. Marvel at the interplay of shapes, materials, and emotions as you explore this vibrant tapestry of artistic expression. Symbiosis of art and nature, sculptures that breathe and echo. The sculptures at Ekebergparken aren't mere installations, they're part of a dynamic dialogue with nature. As you meander through the scenic paths, witness how each sculpture engages with its surroundings, creating a unique narrative that evolves with the changing seasons. It's a visual symphony where every leaf, every breeze becomes a part of the artistic composition. Events and engagements, unveiling the stories. Behind the sculptures, the adventure doesn't end with a casual stroll. Ekebergparken hosts a myriad of events throughout the year. Imagine joining a guided tour where the whispers of the sculptures come to life, revealing tales of the artists and their inspirations. Engage with art exhibitions that spark your curiosity and bring the sculpture's stories to the forefront. Cafe Ekeberg, sunset over Oslo, and thank you. Cafe Ekeberg, a culinary pause with a view. Before bidding adieu to this artistic haven, make sure to treat yourself at Cafe Ekeberg. Imagine sipping on a cup of coffee while gazing at Oslo's cityscape and reflecting on the visual symphony you've just experienced. It's not just a cafe, it's a sensory experience that complements the artistic wonders surrounding you. Cafe Ekeberg, refreshments with a view, Oslo coffee shops, scenic cafes. Conclusion, your invitation to art and nature's extravaganza. Ekebergparken Sculpture Park invites you to immerse yourself in a tapestry of artistic wonders. Whether you're a tourist exploring Oslo, a learner eager to absorb cultural richness, or someone seeking a serene escape, Ekebergparken is a sanctuary where art breathes life into nature and nature breathes life into art. Thank you for joining us on this sensory odyssey. If you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more travel and learn adventures. Until next time, keep exploring with your heart wide open.